एक्सरसाइज मे 28 2021 करंट अफेयर्स। फ्रेंड्स, आज करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे 28 मई के। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर प्लीज़ कर देना और बेल आइकन को भी दबा लेना ताकि आपको हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन टाइम पे मिलती रहे। इस चैनल पे डेली करंट अफेयर आते रहते हैं फ्रेंड्स, और वो भी आईएमपी रहते हैं, एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ मिलेंगे आपको। ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, और अगर आप किसी बैंक एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, डिफेंस एग्जाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, तो आपको प्लेलिस्ट में मेरी वीडियो दिख जाएंगी, तो प्लीज़ चेक कर लीजिएगा। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Credit Suisse has lowered with its nominal GDP growth forecast for India to much percent option 13 to 14%, 14 to 15%, 15 to 16%, and to 11%. Its answer is A, 13 to 14%. Its explanation: the Credit Suisse has lowered its nominal GDP growth forecast for India to 13-14%. Question number 2. When is National Endangered Species Day observed every year? Option: first Friday of May, third Friday of May, second Monday of May, third Monday of May. Answer is B, third Friday of May. Its explanation: the National Endangered Species Day is celebrated on the third Friday of May every year. Question number 3. Which organization has won the Italian Glitchich Award in May 2021? Option: BCCI, Hockey in India, All India Chess Federation, All India Tennis Association. Its answer is B, Hockey India. Its explanation: the Hockey India has recognized with the Antony Glitch Award by the International Hockey Federation FIH during the virtual conference organization as part of the 47th FIH Congress. Question number 4. The 2022 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup will be held in which country? Option: Australia, China, India, USA. Answer is C, India. Its explanation: the 2022 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup will be held in 18 from October 11 to 30, 2022. Question number 5. Which country has become the third nation after Brazil, US to cross 3 lakh COVID death? Option: France, UK, China, India. Its answer is D, with its explanation: Indian COVID-19 death toll has crossed the 3 lakh mark, making it the third country globally to cross the huge figure after the United States and Brazil. Question number 4. Who is the author of the book Buddha in Gandhara? Option: Mohan Munda, Vishal Thakur, Monali Krishna, Sunita Dwivedi. Answer is D, Sunita Dwivedi. Its explanation: Sunita Dwivedi, Silk Road traveler, photographer, and independent researcher, has released her latest book titled Buddha in Gandhara. Question number 7. Who has received the prestigious 2021 Templeton Prize? Option: Stuart James, Beckman Franklin, David Lilly, Jane Goodall. Its answer is D, Jane Goodall. Its explanation: the Jane Goodall has received the prestigious 2021 Templeton Prize. Question number 8. Which bank has issued the first ever foreign portfolio inventor license to the GIFT IFSC Alternative Investment Fund of True Become Global? Its answer option: HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, SBI, Bank of Baroda. Its answer is B, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Its explanation: the Kotak Mahindra Bank has issued the first ever foreign portfolio inventor license to the GIFT IFSC Alternative Investment Fund True Become Global. Question number 9. West Bengal CM Mamta Banerjee is likely to contest by election from which assembled constituency? Option: Siliguri, Bhawanipur, Tollygunge, Tollygunge, Kamarhati. Answer is B, Bhawanipur. Its explanation: the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has decided to contest by election from the Bhawanipur Assembly constituency. Question number 10. Which state government has launched Sanjeevani Pariyojana Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh. Answer is C. Haryana. Its explanation: the Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has launched Sanjeevani Pariyojana, a surprise suppressed home care initiative, initiative to largely help people with mild to moderate symptoms in rural area to access quick medical care at home. Question number 11. Which bank has launched digital banking solution for its corporate customer named SmartServe? ऑप्शन आईडीबीआई बैंक, ये बैंक क्वेश्चन के लिए भी, बैंक एग्जाम के लिए भी इस यूजफुल है फ्रेंड्स, ये क्वेश्चन टिक मार्क करके रख देना। कॉर्पोरेट कस्टमर नेम स्मार्ट सर्विस, ऑप्शन आईडीबीआई बैंक, एचएसबीसी, डीबीएस बैंक, आईसीसीआई बैंक। आंसर इज बी, एचएसबीसी Bank. Its explanation: the HSBC India has launched digital banking solution for its corporate customers. Question number 12. The Commonwealth Day is celebrated on which day? Option 24 May, 23 May, 22 May, 21 May. Answer is A. 24 May. Its explanation: the Commonwealth Day is celebrated on 24 May every year. Question number 13. Which company signed as MOU with BSC to create an ecosystem for promoting, aiding and fostering fostering the growth of SMEs in the country? Option: Beretros Limited, Digital Solution, Dun and Bradstreet Informative Service, Fitch. Answer is C. Dun and Bradstreet Information Service. Its explanation: Dun and Bradstreet Information Service have signed a MOU with BSC to create an ecosystem for promoting, aiding, and fostering the growth of SMEs in the country. Question number 14. Who has won the Artist of the Decade award at the 2021 Billboard Music Award? The Weeknd, Drake, Lady Gang, Taylor Swift. Answer is B. Drake. Its explanation: Drake has won the Artist of Decade award at the 2021 Billboard Music Award. Question number 15. Which animal will be reintroduced in India after being declared extinct in 1952? Sumatran rhinoceros, cheetah, Indian or just pink-headed duck? Answer is B. Cheetah. Its explanation: the world's fastest land animal, the cheetah, which was declared extinct in India in 1952, will be reintroduced in India in November 2012 at the Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 16. The IRDAI slapped rupees 24 lakh penalty on which company for violating advertisement norm? Option: ICICI Bank, Paisa Bazaar, Policy Bazaar, HDFC. Answer is C. Policy Bazaar. Its explanation: the insurance sector regulator IRDAI has slapped a fine of rupees 24 lakh on policy aggregator Polybazar for violating advertisement norms with regard to SMS sent to customer last year about increase in term insurance policy premium. Question number 17. Which company announced its partnership with Indian largest bank SBI for online customer onboarding amid COVID-19 pandemic? Option: HyperAverage, Supercell, High-Tech Solution, Mphasis. Answer is A. HyperAverage. Its explanation: to serve customer in the new control times, the State Bank of India launched a full-power YONO saving account that can be opened instantly with video KYC in 4 simple steps. Question number 18. Who topped Forbes' highest-paid athletes list for 2021? Conor McGregor, Lionel Messi, Virat Kohli, Sebastian Vettel. Answer is A. Conor MC George Grigor. आंसर इट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन: द इरिश फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको अच्छे से इंग्लिश नहीं समझ में आए तो आप खुद से पढ़ लीजिएगा और अगर आपको इसकी पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं। अभी चैनल ग्रो होने का है, मैं टेलीग्राम ग्रुप बना लूँगा, उस पर मैं पीडीएफ सेंड कर दूँगा। इट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन: द Irish MMA fighter Conor McGregor was the world's highest paid athlete over the last year, ahead of footballers Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, according to the annual Forbes list released. Question number 19. Who is the current acting director of the Central Bureau of Investigation? Option: S. Deswal, YC Modi, H.S. Awasthi, Praveen Sinha. Answer is D. Praveen Sinha. Its explanation: Praveen Sinha, a 1988 batch Gujarat Cards IPS officer, is currently serving as the acting CBI chief after the term of former CBI Director Rishi Kumar Shukla. Question number 12. Which company announced a tie-up with Digital Swiss Gold that will announce individual to transact in gold digital in Switzerland? Option: DigiSafe Solution, Optox, Zero, Alankit Imagination. Answer is D. Alankit Imagination. Its explanation: Alankit Imagination Ltd announced a tie-up with Digital Swiss Gold (DSG) that will allow individuals to transact in gold digital in Switzerland. Finish question. Thanks watching for my video. Please subscribe channel for daily current affair. Goodbye friends.